Would you believe that there are 6 non-college degree required side hustles that will pay you significantly less than your regular job? Any of them could easily oust you from your current position. Hello and welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, we're going to go into 6 side hustles to replace your day job. Let's now get going. Number 6. Real estate bird dogs. They search for investment properties online or on foot in neighborhoods. Essentially, you're looking for houses that need extensive repairs and can be great fix and flip opportunities. Bird dogs can scan public records such as MLS listings, foreclosures, absentee owner properties, short sales, and absentee owner auctions that are available for free online or at your city's local courthouse. They can also search local marketplaces, auctions, and online classifieds, which are all excellent resources for finding homes. Driving around the neighborhood or riding a bike can also help you find foreclosed or vacant homes. You don't need a license to be a bird dog because you only get a finder's fee and don't have anything to do with the sale of the property, which does. Introduce yourself and your company to local real estate meetups and groups. Real estate investors are looking for assistance in identifying opportunities. Even if one of your investors isn't interested, there are a few more on your list who are. For each property you locate and sell to an investor, the typical finder's fee is $500 to $1,000 or more. Number 5. Mattress flipping. Because of the recent popularity of bed-in-a-box models, such as Casper Nectar and Purple, more consumers are ordering mattresses online. Some of these companies refold and sell used mattresses as new ones instead of throwing them away. As a representative for a company we'll talk about soon, you'll pick up mattresses that didn't sell and sell them again for up to $8,000 per month. This is known as mattress flipping. Simply transport the mattresses to a pickup truck or a small trailer. Even if you don't have a heavy pickup truck, the majority of smaller vehicles and mid-size sedans have towing capacities of up to 3,700 pounds, which is enough to pull 50 or more mattresses, so check the towing capacity of your current vehicle. To get started, go to sharetown.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, and then tap here where it says Become a Representative to fill out your application with your information, such as proving you're at least 18 years old and have no prior DUIs. After entering the information about your vehicle and making sure it can carry large mattresses, you'll need to fill out the remaining fields and send in the application. When mattress collections are planned close to you, you will be informed if you sign up to be a Sharetown representative. However, how do you market mattresses if you have an excess? Think about purchasing a Casper mattress. After a few weeks of use, the customer may decide they don't like how the mattress feels and wish to return it. Because the mattress is still in good condition, simply list it on websites such as OfferUp, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or wherever you believe it will sell, and wait for it to sell. Depending on the size, the mattress can cost anywhere from $500 to $800 or more. You can expect to earn $200 to $400 or more for each mattress you pick up and sell after you've paid your share. Number 4. Answer questions. Every day we use the internet to find answers to our questions. Every second, 63,000 searches are made on the internet. Just Answer connects millions of users with subject matter experts from various industries. As you can see, there are categories for legal, medical, technical, home repairs, animal care, and more. To have their question answered on this website, users must pay a fee. A single question can cost anywhere from $5 to over $100. Some of you may be wondering why anyone would pay money to ask questions on this website when they can simply Google or YouTube the answer for free. The answer is pretty simple. Many people would rather get advice from a professional than from a stranger. Navigate to justanswer.com and select Expert. You have to fill out an application, send copies of any licenses or certifications you need, and give your contact information. You can start earning money after your account has been verified once. How much money you can make is determined by how many questions you answer each day, but there's no reason you can't do it full-time and earn several $1,000s per month. This is a legitimate way to make money online that could eventually replace your day job. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. Number 3. Renting dumpsters. The market for dumpster rentals is currently worth more than $500 million, with expected future growth. This side job will require some equipment, but the investment will be well worth it. The first thing to comprehend is how dumpster rentals work. Renting a dumpster is a quick and easy way for homeowners and construction companies to get rid of waste from a project. When starting this side business, keep in mind that the customer schedules a dumpster delivery and then fills it with their garbage. The dumpster rental company then collects and disposes of it properly. How will you get rid of everything? Most of the time, it's as simple as dumping it at your local landfill, which is legal in most states. Landfills charge anywhere from $20 to $50 per ton of trash disposed of. Let's go over some of the startup costs for this side business. The first thing you'll need is a dumpster. Used dumpsters typically cost between $1,000 and $3,000. The majority of your money will be spent on a used roll-off trailer, which will cost between $10,000 and $15,000. You'll also need a roll-off truck or trailer to transport your dumpster. This side business's potential for growth should also be considered. Only one roll-off trailer is required to get started. As time passes and your income increases, you can begin investing in more trails and hiring as many dumpsters as you can on an ongoing basis. Number 2, junk removal. While we're talking about trash, let me tell you about this next side hustle. Essentially, you'll be removing unwanted items from other people's properties. This can range from boxes of old books and furniture to cars, and the fact that you'll only need a small amount at first makes it even better. To get started with junk removal, you'll need a car, a truck, or a van. Preferably the latter two, so you can fill your car with junk. Begin by posting free business advertisements on social media sites like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and others. Create flyers for your business using a tool like Canva, and then distribute them to your neighbors or businesses that specialize in moving, hoarding cleanup, or even real estate remodeling. Selling many of the items you acquire will also net you extra cash. As your business expands, determine whether you'll require any specialized licenses or certifications, such as a waste carrier's license or a CDL if you plan to purchase larger trucks. Number 1, Amazon Copywriter. You can start this next side business from home and earn up to $200 per hour without a college degree if you consider yourself to be a good writer or are willing to learn how to become one. An Amazon copywriter's goal is to write product descriptions that persuade customers that the product is necessary because it solves a problem for them. They understand that when deciding which product to buy, many customers will feel joy and excitement, so they use copy to help sell the product by appealing to those emotions. Start by looking for Amazon copywriting jobs on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You can earn as much money as you want. However, once you've built up a solid clientele and reputation, you can typically expect to make up to $200 per hour with this. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.